Yes, you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and this intro. It's another edition of Cooking with Katrena in my priceless kitchen. So today I'm back in my priceless kitchen for a quick and easy recipe. And as always, the full directions and ingredients list will be in the description box below for your cooking convenience. After retrieving all of my ingredients, I'm starting off with dicing my onions and my peppers. If you love cooking recipes, well, I have over 100 recipes here on the channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. While my onions are sauteing, now I'm cutting up my beef sausage. Time to soften my peppers. Now, if you know, you know. Peppers can become quite bitter when cooking. So a pinch of sugar goes a long, long way. I said a pinch, right? Not a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, just a little small pinch. Time now to brown my sausage. Next, I'm adding pre-cooked brown rice. You can use white rice as well, and day-old rice is always a perfect option. Mixing everything well together. And then I'll steam some broccoli on top for about 5 minutes. Less than 30 minutes and this meal is complete, and it's oh so delicious. It also has the ability to be special by changing your meat or no meat at all. Consider having this with shrimp, diced chicken, or even ham chunks. And for you people who love Spam, well, add Spam. So much for hanging out with me for another edition of Cooking with Katrena. On your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. As always, shop my Amazon and Walmart storefront for great bargains. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. I always appreciate your continued support. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. See you soon.